Mom is Bomb crew, and welcome back to another video. If you're not already a part of the family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, make sure to leave a comment down below, and stay tuned for future uploads. If you enjoy cleaning motivational videos of a real life mess, you guys have found the right channel, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. So you guys, what I'm pretty much doing is giving you guys an overview of my dining room. It's a mess, I know. My living room, my kids literally took all the pillows off the couch and just threw them on the floor and were jumping all over them, talking about they're making lava on the floor so that they could play the floor is lava. I don't know, but I just let them enjoy themselves for a little bit, and now it's time to pick it all up. So you guys go ahead and stay tuned. I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. I love you guys. Make sure to leave a comment down below. Give me some suggestions, you guys. I'm like running out of things to do. Like, I know you guys are tired of seeing me clean my living room and wash dishes. So I'm going to start writing down some major projects that I want to do in my house and tackle those. I know you guys are probably wondering why I'm cleaning the living room again. Well, I cleaned the living room this morning, which you guys seen, and right now this is after lunchtime. As you can see, all the food on the floor and the table. So I'm just touching up the living room again, as I do 300 times a day, which I need to just sit down and learn how to leave the living room a mess until nighttime. But then I'm too tired to clean, so I guess I'm just gonna have to keep cleaning it 30,000 times a day, you guys.